Hi, everyone, it's me again. Whether you're designing for fashion, cosplay, or a personal project, tattoos can make your avatar stand out instantly. And guess what? You don't need to be a CLO3D expert to do this. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add realistic tattoos to your avatar's skin using just a few simple steps. No plugins, no fuss, just pure style. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open up CLO3D and load the project with the avatar you want to apply the tattoo to. You can use any avatar, male, female, or custom. Go to your 3D window and click on the part of your avatar's body where you want the tattoo. Then, in the property editor, select texture. Select the arm. Right-click and copy it. Then paste it into another folder, because we don't want to mess with the original. We'll work on the copy instead. Again, copy the body and paste it into same folder. Open Photoshop. Step 2. Load both avatar copies. Make sure you have a tattoo image file downloaded, then open it in Photoshop. Choose the magic wand tool to select the image, then right-click and choose Select Similar. And press Delete. Repeat the steps. Select the rectangle tool and draw a selection around the tattoo image. Then press Ctrl+C to copy it, go to the avatar's hand, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Place your tattoo image exactly where you want it on the avatar's body. Make sure it lines up nicely with the texture map. Repeat the same steps for the other parts as needed. Select Layer. Then choose Merge Visible to combine all visible layers. Go to the File menu, select Export, and then choose Export As, and save the file as a PNG. Repeat the steps. Now, go back in CLO3D, Step 3. Click on the part of your avatar's body. Click Texture. Select your new image. Boom! Your tattoo appears on the avatar. Bonus tip. You can add multiple tattoos by layering them in Photoshop, or even give your avatar makeup the same way. And that's it. Your avatar's rocking a fresh tattoo. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions or tutorial requests. Don't forget to subscribe for more CLO3D tips every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.